this is not the only case that has happened in the Kansai area. Last year, a male officer was reprimanded for having sex with colleagues. Hi guys, because the Gaijin here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to do something along the lines of Japan is not a real place, but just to highlight one news item for the week that really grabbed all the headlines. And you know, it's one of those things that is not readily reported out in the mainstream. So let's get straight into it. And this one is a doozy. You know, they always talk about the discipline of the Japanese people and the respect for offices and how police officers are the role models that set an example for the young ones here in Japan and in society, and they know right from wrong. Well, these three police officers were involved in a menage a trois of some sorts, you know what I mean? So a female police officer in the Hyogo prefecture in Nishinomiya City resigned after revelations of her extramarital affairs with two colleagues in the Koban. Now, if you know what a Koban is, it is not big. The Koban is actually smaller than my Leo Palace apartment, if you couldn't call it an apartment. In the break room, they were getting on. Homeboy was in there giving her the raw men, yeah, if you know what I mean. No, yeah, clearly. So apparently with the first colleague, she was having sex from in 2019 and she broke off with him, and then she started with a new guy in March up to May of 2020. Here's a tea though. Here is a tea for you people. All of them were married. So you were a police officer having sex with someone who is not your wife on the job. I have so many questions. Shitsumo no ikedo sa, chotto matte, don't どうやってするのそのセックス。警察はやばくない？それやばいんで。本当にやばい。ちょっと待って。So how did he do it? So like I'm wondering, like, how did someone actually find out? Was somebody lost and say, someone said ちょっと迷っています。Like did someone like bundle in? But apparently it was a tip from inside the own police department. So the head patrol officer and the female officer were having sex, and then later on the sergeant. So she leveled down, she stepped down. The female police officer whose name wasn't revealed then indicated that she didn't know right from wrong. Wait, so she didn't know right from wrong? A police officer didn't know right from wrong. But they're the ones that are pulling up. You know what? Nah, these stories, you can't make this up. If you want the full details, you can read the story in the link down below. But tell me, what do you think? Like, how does it make sense? Like, I want to know the hard facts. Like, what was he doing? Was it someone sending her? I mean, I need more details. There's so many questions that I want to have answered, but I don't have time for this in this video. It's a short recap. So, some more investigation, guys. So, police out here don't have anything to do, so I understand why they might have found having sex with each other as something to do to occupy their time. I'd rather them do that than them just walking around stopping foreigners needlessly, you know, and harassing foreigners, you know. Damn, I wonder if, like, was he in the break room? Like, how did they break out a futon, or they just did it there? But then, are other police officers doing this? But this is not the only case that has happened in the Kansai area. Last year, a male officer was reprimanded for having sex with colleagues. So I guess the police officers really are a close-knit bunch, you know. Raw men in it down there, you know, having that sushi, you know, tempering her pura, you know what I mean? Yakiing the soba, you know what I mean? Oh, yako that done. I mean, he is sucking out that kura, you know. I mean, oh. Alright, let me know in the comments below what you think about this, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like videos like this, let me know. I will be in touch. Alright, peace.